I'm Aaron Harden. I'm the Director of Information Systems for Creative Foam. We currently have 12 locations throughout North America. We manufacture foam-based products for the automotive, medical, aerospace, and industrial markets. Creative Foam originally implemented Plex back in 2008, and as we've continued to grow as a company, we've been able to optimize our business processes, and Plex has been able to grow with us as it continues to be our primary tool to run our company. Actually, we had one of our plants reach out to us requesting a more modern approach to work instructions. The legacy tools that we had, they weren't sufficient for our current needs, so they had started looking at different tools and asking what could we do. So when we investigated through the community, we found Process Steps had already been a project that had started, and we were able to join the mini pack at that point. Our legacy tools were very static, so being able to do things such as translating languages or being interactive with the system was something that they were asking for. Yeah, so for our onboarding, our corporate HR team has put together a standardized process for that onboarding for each of our locations. We have videos that go along with some of the basic things that they do on a day-to-day basis, such as going into Plex, accessing the control panel, entering vacation. But each of our plants do things differently. They have different equipment, various tools, presses, robots, and that sort of thing. So our legacy work instruction tools, they met the basic need, but they weren't very dynamic. They didn't allow us to tie back into the specific parts the way that we were looking to. Originally, one of my things is we aren't forcing each individual process step to be reviewed, at least not at this time. So some of them would be static and they may not be viewed. They could go in and based on the description, they're able to select which step that they're on. Whereas other steps being fully integrated, we would be able to record production or record our check sheets. Yeah, using our legacy tools, the ability to translate languages had a number of deficiencies, and they were pretty laborious to do. Using Process Steps in the browser, we can change the language and it translates all the language for us. We have some facilities that have 4, 5, even 6 different languages within the facility, and the browser does a nice job at being able to accurately translate for us. As we're rolling out our first plant, the reaction has been very positive, both from those that are setting up the process steps, but also for the operators that have been able to engage with those steps as well. Right now, it's sharing that information to those operators. In the future, we plan on turning on check sheets so that we're able to track the specific activities and record those quality steps, but also recording production.